Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction. The live price changes occur in the Vechain crypto. As it a best time to sell it, buy it or hold it. I'm going to show you in this video with a proof. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so kindly first of all subscribe my channel for more this kind of videos. And my wish to hit 3k subscribers, so please if you listen my voice, please help me and subscribe my channel. Now let's see the price prediction of Vechain crypto in the previous last 2 hours. What's the price change occur in the last 2 hours, 1 hour? So first of all, we see the last 1 hour result of the Vechain crypto. As you can see now on the graph, absolutely good news for all Vechain holders. They goes upward like a rocket. As you can see here, goes upward like a rocket. So absolutely it's a good time to hold it, because they in the future they goes upward more. So friends, that is the live price prediction of Vechain crypto. The changes is about positive 0.8% change occur in the previous last 1 hour. So that is why my suggestion to hold it, as you can see here. And the high price of Vechain crypto is about $0.090638 is the high price of Vechain crypto in the previous last 2 hours. That's only jump in the last 1 hour. Now let's see the last 2 hour result of the price prediction of the Vechain crypto. What's the price change occur in the Vechain crypto in the previous 2 hours? Absolutely good news. As you can see here, at this time at the start of 2 hours they take a jump, and now currently they take a high jump. Maybe in the future they goes a very high jump. As you can see here, the changes is absolutely in the positive 0.92% change occur in the Vechain crypto in only 2 hours. So that is why they are my suggestion to hold it Vechain crypto and make a good amount of profit. So friends, what's your opinion about Vechain crypto? Please share in a comment box. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of videos.